Sunday, July 3rd, 2022. Big day for Bobby right here. We got the upholstery for a 62. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. It's come from Ciudadela. How long you wait for it?
5.5 months.
5.5 months. Custom
Cloth.
K Corral, 58 color,
Yep.
and a custom insert. So we're just gonna unbox it.
I didn't get no bolster.
No bolster, all vinyl.
All vinyl.
Tell them what the bolster section.
The bolster is like a foam, like on the top. Bolster would be
Bolster
like
in
right
there.
here, like a foam. But he opted to not do that.
I ain't like the color.
So this is the top half of the front seat. Bottom half of the front seat.
Oh yeah, seat belts right here.
Oh yeah. I don't know, mine had that. I don't remember seeing that.
In the bottom plane.
Look at the back.
So they made these things from scratch.
Pink.
Pink, yep. Yep.
The color of the car. Another front seat.
Top of the other front seat.
I don't know if you can see the pattern in the back.
How's the flower sitting?
Man.
Can we see it up close? I'm gonna zoom in. You
Oh.
can stay right there. I'm just gonna. Okay.
Top of the back.
Oh, back seat. Yep. Man,
Straight lines.
that's a really unique color, man. It's like not pink, and it's like not peach. Really unique. Bottom
Bottom of the back.
bottom back seat.
A little bit of this.
Yes. Sweet.
It matches the cloth too, huh? The cloth.
Man,
Can you get it a little
And
bit
he
closer?
wants to, you're gonna be like the old señoras with the plastic covered everything. Oh heck yes! Now I understand why they did that. You want nobody to
No,
know.
look at that thing. It's working.
Wow, it's like really pink
You can see the shine.
Yeah.
with the shimmer.
You recording? Or you taking pictures?
No, it's recording.
Oh. Man, look at the pearls, and it matches the
Oh yeah.
The
pattern
Pattern.
too.
The glitter.
Hey, look at the color.
Man, that's wow, that's bright.
I got a picture of
Right here looks like a little bit more tan.
and then you can put it on where you're drawing.
Man, there is.
That color off.
Yeah.
Great,
Looks
Bobby.
gold or tan. I don't know.
Grab the pen.
That's what I'm saying. It's a unique color.
Yeah.
It really doesn't look like a color. It's a color on its own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gold, peach.
Right here
Rose.
kind of looks tan, and then inside looks pink.
Even the fabric here, you can see
Yeah, the
different,
little.
like, the gold.
I
Yeah.
think it looks better sideways, man.
Hey, you know what would look nice as part of the video? We have the color here. Today I'm standing here next to the famous, worldwide famous
Never
Bobby G.
seen somebody so happy.
Bobby G, look at that.
Dang!
Big
That
butt.
smile.
Who knew he had that much
You gotta love
blood?
it. But hey, just for the record, first time seeing him without a cap, I'm a little jealous. You know? Now we're gonna do a little unboxing here with this door panels. Pull the box down.
Hold the box.
Wait, where you going with that?
Ooh, man.
Hey, box cutter.
Oh yeah. Excellent.
You got a box cutter? I would cut it along the bottom, not across the top.
Here.
Just the tape.
Man, they look great.
There's no way that's going back the way it is.
Yeah, no.
Is it Christmas?
Christmas in July. I'm responsible.
Christmas in July. You know that's actually a thing.
Yeah, it is. That was Fredo yesterday, uncovering his fireball.
Oh yeah, we did that. Yeah. Bobby wore his Sunday best for the occasion.
He sure did.
Hey, he even wore undershirts.
I ain't never seen him smile so much.
He woke up like that.
He woke up like that?
He's like, I'm gonna unbox my interior today.
Should have done that Are you waiting on anything?
Come on, Bobby, use your teeth.
I got my dirt thing.
Man.
Boy.
Wow.
Look at that.
I
Oh
said
my
use
God,
your
you're
teeth.
gonna have to put that
Oh
in
wow.
the smile. Oh.
Wow.
That is excellent.
So you got the stainless.
Oh my goodness.
Flip it over a little bit so we can see the top.
Come out. Look at that shot.
That is excellent.
Man, that's definitely unique.
Yes.
I can't put my finger on the color though, man. It's like 3 colors in one.
Looks different in the shade. Look at that.
Yeah. Still look really nice.
That is good.
I think we're here.
Yeah, you don't need those.
What is this?
Kick panels, but you probably run speakers.
Kick panels for the front.
I don't want no speakers.
Oh, you want to run that? Okay. The vents?
Yeah. I guarantee they'll look a couple $100 for it.
He's gonna be singing to himself the whole time he's driving.
What's this?
Passenger side AC. If you have AC.
Look at that. Yes.
The back one. The rear.
Oh my
Gosh,
goodness.
that is beautiful.
This is the
Wind lace?
Wind lace. Yeah.
Yep.
And then the covers for the rear armrests.
Yep. Did you get those trim pieces too? The hockey sticks?
Yeah. Yeah. That's a trim.
These are like, the way they press them is a unique way.
Yeah. Just like the factory.
Like they stamp them.
Yeah. It makes it easy.
Oh my
for
goodness.
most
This
people.
is pretty good.
Man, look at this one. Look at the difference in this. Perfect. Good job.
Yeah, that's great.
The other side.
Girl, you need an umbrella.
Extra, you got the extra material?
Yeah. Extra fabric.
Can I have that?
No.
No.
That makes a matching Aaron.
Mm-hmm.
The door panel?
Yep. Passenger side.
Man, that looks so good. Oh,
Window crack. Yep. Door handle, window. It's the bottom one.
That window, that's for a reflector, but me and Bobby talked about that already.
No reflector?
No. We're gonna make it light up.
Oh, sweet.
Nice.
Put it face
Even
down.
better.
Yeah, so when you open the door, it's gonna light up.
Oh. You already talked about it.
Oh, yeah.
You were in that meeting.
That's what she told him. She just told him that right now.
I see what you mean, Bob.
Yeah.
That takes a while
My
to
life would do that.
mouth.
Yeah, take the lid off.
Oh,
You still recording?
yeah. I realized it's with my mom.
Put it on there.
Look, they covered it on the piece of fabric. That's actually a different color.
I can say what
Yeah. It's just fun. I thought it was fun.
don't think Bobby likes it though. I can't tell.
Too much on rabbit.
I know. Tell me about it.
Yeah, and if it became damaged and you say,
Oh, it
you
wasn't
don't know how to
wrapping up.
box it. Yeah.
Bobby, if you don't like it, I'll take it. Okay? Man, cause look at that.
Man, look at that.
Look at the stamps on this.
What's the part of the set? They could
Can you hold it up so we could see it?
Chris.
Bring it to the light. Walk around, Bobo.
What is it, the window belt?
Yeah, it comes already with it.
Oh my
Can you turn it over so we could see it?
Like a
The rail?
The other. Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it comes with the window films.
Hold
That's
on.
for a window crank, power window switch.
Power window switch?
You sent them this part?
You just sent the top rails.
Yeah, we sent them this.
Did you clean them up?
Yeah, we cleaned it up. And painted it.
Oh.
And then Tim got mad.
Yeah, Tim, they said they don't want no paint.
No paint? Really? So the glue stick. Oh, the adhesive. Yeah. Man, that is beautiful, man. Look at the buttons on that sucker.
Yeah.
There's the one that I don't want to open.
Yeah, there's no point.
Did it take so long?
I'll take it. I'll open it. You don't like it, so I'll take it.
Everything?
On this box, yeah.
Headlight?
That's beautiful.
Or you can get that box.
You gotta ask
Go.
him.
So, final words, Bobby. How does it feel to get your interior ahead of time?
Ahead of time?
Ahead of time. People wait a year for their interiors.
I don't know if it's ahead of time, but now I don't feel like I'm behind because I got to buy more parts now.
That's a good thing, though. When
The
it's going
day
towards-
I received it, I bought more sheet metal. So I was like, hell yeah.
He was so happy he got his interior. He went and bought more for it.
Yeah. He said Dooley's on hold.
Yeah. You want to try to put that back in?
Yeah. Go.
Go.
What are you unboxing now?
It's like the package tray.
Package tray.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
Where does that go?
Rear deck,
Where did it go?
behind the back seat.
Speakers going on.
Somebody's gonna catch it.
Ooh. Headliner.
No carpet?
No, not here.
Nah, it comes in a separate box.
Oh man, it matches.
Same color headliner?
Self panel.
Yes, we.
Oh, look. This one I like. I like this.
Like the pattern, the little star pattern.
Can we get it up close?
That needs
The
to be on.
visors?
That
Visors
needs to
will
be
be this
nice up.
material, huh?
Yes, standard on every car.
Yes.
Same color star pattern?
Is the cell panel star pattern? Oh, it's gotta be. Did you order the bike?
Oh, there's no interior.
Man, this headliner's heavy, man.
It is heavy.
Man, look at the cell panel. Hey, with the LED lights.
Oh, they're wrapped. Why?
Man, mine didn't come wrapped.
Mine didn't come wrapped either.
Yeah, this bike's famous.
They already wrapped them for you. You ain't gotta wrap them.
Lucky duck.
Yeah, the rear.
Excellent.
Sweet.
With the stars.
Yeah.
Man, that's the best one. Yeah, I'll go.
Like the stars.
Yeah,
Stars.
Not off our phone.
Stars.
Stars and stripes?
So, how many years come with that star?
He's got stars and stripes.
Bikes might be heavy.
So no visors?
Yes, they're in there, but I don't see them. Do you have your original ones? Send those in.
Yeah.
What's the extra material here?
They said that one extra, like, oh, actually, that's stars. So, I don't know.
We can send this to the
Wow.
That might be visor material. I bet that's what that
How
is.
many earrings I could make?
Could you really?
That's a
though.
lot of material for some sun visors.
Yeah.
Bobby, can I have that?
What?
I can have it.
What do you do with it?
That's the $1 million.
Let me think about it.
Make a skirt.
We have several things we can make.
Wrap a cup. Gonna make me some shorts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some speedos.
Hoochie
Might be a little
shorts.
warm, but you gonna wear them.
What they calling now? Hoochie daddy shorts?
Hoochie daddy shorts.
Yeah.
That's what we can make.
With the star pattern. That's funny.
Oh my goodness.
It's good, man. Everything looks great.
That's it.
Man,
The
well,
little thing.
give your review.
Let's see the one.
The thing, Bobby, you excited? You like
Will you
it
be
overall?
right
Yeah, it was good.
Worth the wait?
Yeah.
You still recording?
Oh, yes.
He's gonna give his review.
The
That's his
review,
last
the
box.
final review of the unboxing.
Okay.
Was it worth the wait?
Yeah, it was good. Perfect. Even though
Oh, you know what? We got to get the paint.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get that.
You saw the paint in person, didn't you?
Go.
I don't know what to say.
Are you happy? Does it exceed your expectations?
Yeah, I love it. It's perfect. My car's gonna look clean.
Man, it's beautiful. There's no words for
I actually wanted the pattern to go vertical, and the cloth pattern came horizontal. Even though I asked it for the other way, I think it still looks good.
How good?
Perfect. Because the 62 original pattern is vertical.
All right.
Deltron paint.
Yeah. So before we open the paint to compare the interior color to see how good of a match it is. So whenever I went to go get this paint mixed, it was a special mix. So they had to call a few stores. I was sitting there for a while so they can get the 58 Coral mix because it's off the 58 Impala, right? And they got the mix. They gave me a sample. I was like, yes, that's the one. So this is PPG Deltron. This is top of the line paint, right? And another backstory to the paint is I had only asked them for a pint, and they gave me a quart. So he got half of this for free. So, and after the whole thing was done, I had to name the paint. They're like, well, we can put whatever name you want, because it has to be named. So whenever you come back for the paint, just ask for the name. I'm like, okay. And being that we're always playing around with each other, acting a fool just like that, I went ahead and called it Barbie World.
Oh my god, that's
Barbie
funny.
World.
Barbie World.
So next time we go get the rest of the paint, it's gonna be Barbie.
It's in the system as that name.
That's it right there. So go ahead, Bobby, open it up and let's compare it, man.
Stir it up a little bit. I got the stir stick right there.
Yeah.
Barbie's World.
That's awesome.
Ooh-wee, man. Oh yeah. Yep.
Wow.
That looks excellent. We should compare this in the sun because they both look different in the sun and in the shade. Man, I would say that's an exact match.
Right here. You got excess right here.
Yeah, that hangs down in the seat.
Man, that's a dead ringer, dude.
Wow, look at that. Excellent.
My goodness.
Let's hold both in the sun real quick.
Hay un pedacito chiquito.
Hold on.
It even has a little pearl on the paint too.
The same, man. That's
that's
excellent.
awesome. It's gonna be good carbon.
Excellent, man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's beautiful, man. You got to be proud of that.
The face of a proud man is.
Oh. Bobby, go put his hair behind his ear, man. Come on.
The outro.
You record here.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, you guys, thank you for being here.
So that's it. We got Bobby's interior. Yep. Bobby's car will be coming here.
Unboxed.
68 leaves.
Was that August?
August, September, somewhere around there. We'll be doing metal work on that when it cools off, because right now it's way too hot. But a little update for Bobby's car. We hadn't updated in a while. Last update I think was a moonroof.
Yeah.
February? Oh, I didn't know. February, yeah. First metal moonroof in Houston. That's not
Yeah.
working. So y'all stay tuned for more work. And keep watching.
What'd you say?